Hey, how you doing? Scott from Out and About. Just doing a cool little petroglyph hunt today. Huge thank you to all the continuing subscribers out there. I really appreciate that support, you guys. Thank you so much. Let's check this out. Also, real quick guys, make sure you leave no trace and don't touch the petroglyphs and pictographs, and also pick up any trash if you see it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you found some value here. Please be sure to click that subscribe button and also check the description for some cool videos. Thank you. Have a great day.